Less than P data end equals 385 data start equals 77 greater than. So, there's a story making international headlines right now that's caught a lot of people's attention. It's about Charlotte May Lee, a 21-year-old British woman from South London. She's found herself in serious legal trouble after being accused of trying to smuggle a large amount of cannabis into Sri Lanka. Less than plate data end equals 799, data start equals 387 greater than now. Charlotte had flown into Colombo, Sri Lanka's capital, from Bangkok, reportedly to renew her Thai visa. But what was supposed to be a routine travel step quickly turned into a nightmare. Authorities say they discovered around 46 kilograms of cannabis. Yes, 46 kilos, hidden inside her 2 large suitcases. That's an enormous amount, and if she's found guilty, she could be looking at up to 25 years in prison. Less than P data end equals 1305 data start equals 801 greater than. She hasn't been officially charged yet, and she insists she had no idea the drugs were in her luggage. Before her court appearance, Charlotte spoke from prison and described her current living conditions. She's sharing a cramped cell with 5 other women, sleeping on a thin mattress laid over a concrete floor, and using her clothes as a pillow. Despite everything, she said she's trying not to dwell on it. Though she did express concern for others in the prison, who've been waiting in limbo for years. Less than P data end equals 1668 data start equals 1307 greater than. During her appearance at Negombo Magistrates Court, she wore a simple white dress and looked visibly shaken as she stood in the courtroom. She didn't speak much, but the emotional weight of the situation was clear. Police even wheeled in a large brown box during the proceedings, claiming it held the 46 kilograms of cannabis allegedly found in her possession. Less than P data end equals 2104. Data start equals 1670. Greater than. Her lawyer, Sampath Pereira, raised some important questions. Most notably, whether the contents of the suitcases had actually been verified as illegal substances. The magistrate agreed and ordered testing, with a report to follow as soon as possible. The legal process in Sri Lanka can be slow. People held on remand like Charlotte are required to appear before a judge every 14 days, and bail applications can take up to 3 months. Less than top data end equals 2335 data start equals 2106 greater than. What makes this even more concerning is how isolated Charlotte is. She hasn't been able to speak with her family since the arrest, although she's reportedly found a bit of comfort in connecting with other English-speaking inmates. Less than P data end equals 2727, data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 2337 greater than. Her next court date is set for July 13th, and until then, she remains in custody. This is a developing story, and one that highlights not just the severity of international drug laws, but also the harrowing experience of navigating a foreign justice system alone. Whether she's guilty or not, one thing's clear. Charlotte May Lee's life has taken a dramatic and potentially life-altering turn. Stay subscribed for more videos.